Doing great. So today we are at Dubai Creek Harbor. That is 3 times bigger than downtown. You can see that this whole master plan is revealed finally. That you have the 10 districts that will be coming one by one. So in this whole master plan, you can see that this is the Ras Al Khor Road. This is Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. This is the Dubai Square Mall. One of the biggest mall is coming. World's biggest Creek Tower will be there. So you can see that inside the community we have open spaces, greenery surrounded by every district. This is the metro station is coming. World's biggest metro station is coming. Then second one there, and then we have the third one there. So in the whole master plan we have 3 metro stations will be here. We have mosques there, schools there, hospitals there, we have clinics there, we have nurseries there, we have retails there, we have branded hotels there, we have a 7-kilometer discovery loop there, we have 70,000 square meter central park already there. So in this whole community you can see that it is designed for urban living, luxury living, waterfront living. This is the one community all boxes are taken, starting from the amenities like the people wants luxurious lifestyle amenities, greenery, lush parks, open spaces. In every district you are surrounded by the parks. Now looking at the whole master plan, 30% development is already completed, 70% has to come more. So you can imagine that you have the more and more things to come here. So this is Creek Island district, this is Creek Beach district. You can see that this is whole saturated, people are already living there. Here also people are living there. Then we have Green Gate district. This is like 80% inventory already sold out. We have some few units remaining on these Green Gate district. Then I want to show you the third metro station, which is here. You can see that. So you have rented hotels operational here. So you can see that you have Marina Yacht Club, Creek Islands, beach, each and everything you have. You can see that in this whole master plan. So you can see that now coming to the project which is launched right away. So these 2 towers are coming, the Walia, next to the Dubai Square Mall, world's tallest Greek tower. And you can imagine that when the Burj Khalifa was ready, there was the first tower, the address which is launched next to Burj Khalifa. Now you can check that how much it is appreciated. It's your work, you can check out. This time I'll leave on you. So Walia is starting from 2,580 per square feet, 1 bedroom, 1, 2, 3 and 4 bedroom apartment. So one is starting from 2.1 million, and the payment plan is around 20% every year and for 4.5 years payment plan. So this is very amazing payment plan, price per square feet, and you have the entry ticket. Now imagine when this Creek Tower will be ready, Square Mall is operated. So you can imagine that how much price per square feet will be on that time, because that one will be saturated. And when you will get this handover, you will be having this ready, and then you will be having the surrounding buildings, people will be living there. So this is the very amazing district. You can see that the amenities inside that, and also you can see that this is sleek design buildings. So you have the Creek Tower view, Square Mall view, and also the park and open spaces view. And this is the metro station that will be named as Emaar Properties world's tallest metro station. So DM me, I will get you the best unit on the both towers. Thank you.